In this video, you are going to learn how to track objects in your videos, just like this one.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
So without further ado, let's jump into it. But before we go, if you are new over here, consider subscribing, because on this channel we teach basically how to become creative with your smartphone and make money out of it. So if that is something that you are really interested in, then consider subscribing and also turn on notification, right? So let's go. Right, so here we are in our CapCut application. Now I've already imported a video that I'm going to use, so this is the video. So once you've imported a video, what you can do is, if it's a test that you want to be tracked in your video, or if it's a test that you want to use as a tracking object, you enter the test. But over here, I'm just going to use a sticker, right? So I'm tapping on stickers over here, and I'm just going to pick one. So let me just scroll through and pick one quickly. Let's say I want to use some arrow. Maybe this time around, let me use this particular one. Alright, so I'll just tap on a check mark over here, and I'm going to move it. Okay, at a time I'm pointing to my head. Okay, so I'm just going to drag this on a timeline to this place. Then from here, I'll drag it to the end of the video. Good. Once I'm done with that, I have to tap on the sticker. Once I've tapped on it, I'm going to move this over here. Now I'm reducing the size of it just to make it smaller. Then I'll put it on top of my head like this. Good. Right after that, I'll scroll down and come to where you see tracking. Then tap on tracking at the bottom over here. Once you tap on it, you select the area that you want to track. Now I want to track my face, so I'm just going to put this on my face. So wherever my face goes, this arrow will follow me. Now once you are done selecting the area that you want to track, all that you need to do afterwards is to tap on tracking. Then it will work out the magic for you. So right now it is loading it. Once it's up to 100%, that means we are fully done and everything will work as expected. So let's see how it's gonna go. Right after this, I'm just going to play to see how it is. So let's see. So right now, I believe you all can see that this object that we've introduced, object is now tracking my face. Wherever I position my face, the object is following me. Okay, so basically that is how to add tracking to an object in your video. It is very simple to do it that way. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'm going to see you in the next one. This is Gosu here from 𝗦𝗕𝗕𝗦𝗖𝗥𝗜𝗕𝗘.